Kaspa at the time of this recording continues to see further breakdown moves after losing our Fibonacci key area of support between the 0.05423 and the 0.05074, which is that yellow target area highlighted on the charts. And at the time of this recording, we are now slightly holding above a horizontal line of support above the 0.04887. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the reasons why it is so important for us to continue holding above that horizontal line of support, and also give you the worst case scenario that can unfold in the next coming days. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the 4-hour chart, you can see that from the lows we made on the 22nd of October, I was observing this initial bounce over here, terming it as an impulsive ED12 count 1. And I was expecting that in the next coming days, we can easily get a bit of a pullback in the formation of that second wave that needed to continue holding within this Fibonacci key area of support highlighted on the charts in yellow. And you can clearly see that we have lost that Fibonacci key area of support by breaking to the lower side of that target area. And that means that we have now hit invalidation points for these 1-2 setup. And that means that in the next coming days, we can continue seeing further breakdown moves as we continue to get a continuation of these massive breakdown move that we have been seeing from the highs we made back in September, on the 18th of September 2025. And if by any chance we lose our horizontal line of support above the 0.04887, flipping it back into resistance, then I will be expecting further breakdown moves. And the moment that plays out, the next line of support to pay attention to lies above the 0.04401, which is this horizontal line on the charts. That is the next line of support in case we lose the 0.04887. But if by any chance we continue holding above the 0.04887, there's a chance of another bounce back. And on that bounce back, I will be watching for a break above the significant high we made above the 0.06 USDT mark, and also the 0.06634 in the next coming hours and days. So that is what so that is the price action that I'm watching to see here on the 4-hour chart. Jumping to the daily chart, on the daily chart we continue to hold above a very significant key area of support that lies between the 0.11144 and the 0.03625, which is that red target area. And that is an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, and that is because from the lows we made on the 22nd of May 2023, I have been terming this initial bounce over here to new all-time highs as a wave 1. And from the all-time highs, we have been seeing a breakdown move to the downside in the formation of this second wave. And the target areas for the second wave were given by connecting the fibs from the lows we made in the formation of that first wave all the way to the highs we made in the formation of that wave 1. And you can see that my target area is between the fib level 0.5 all the way to the fib level 0.88. And that means as long as we continue holding within this area over here, there's a chance of a bounce in the next coming weeks in the formation of this third wave. And the worst case scenario can only unfold the moment we break out of this red target area here on the weekly chart. And the moment that plays out, then we can expect a reset of the lows we made on the 10th of October, and also a reset of the lows we made on the 22nd of May 2023 in the next coming weeks. So that is the price action that I expect on the Kaspa chart on the short term and also on the long term. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.